Hello friends, let's learn some colors name. Green color, black color, dark blue color, white color, violet color, yellow color, sky blue color, red color, let's try to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Yellow color. A for elevator. Red color. B for butterfly. Sky blue color. C for cherry. Dark green color. D for door. Orange color. E for egg. Dark blue color. F for fox. Light green color. G for goat. Purple color. H for house. Yellow color. I for eyes. Violet color. J for jelly. Black color. K for king. Pink color. L for lotus. Red color. M for map. Dark blue color. N for nails. Sky blue color. O for olive. Dark green color. P for pencil. Light green color. Q for quilt. Orange color. R for rainbow. Pink color. S for salt. Red color. T for teacher. Violet color. U for unicorn. Purple color. V for violin. Black color. W for window. Sky blue color. X for Xerox. Dark green color. Y for yogurt. Red color. Z for zero. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.